Modern manufacturing techniques and materials have given way to a new category of flooring called luxury vinyl. Through realistic replications of popular flooring styles like hardwood, stone, and tile, luxury vinyl floors provide a versatile, durable flooring option that is water resistant and easy to maintain. Most LVPs have the same basic structure. They have a clear wear layer that protects the surface and allows you to see through to the print layer. The print layer is an image of either wood or stone that makes the product nearly impossible to differentiate from the real thing. The center of the plank or tile is the core. This makes up the bulk of the product. The last layer is the underlayment. This is a pad on the bottom that is either made of cork or rubber. It dampens sound, gives it a bit of a softer feel, and helps alleviate any imperfections in the subfloor.